Hi everyone, Lap here. Today I'm gonna go over how you can get a lot of subscribers on Instagram really quickly. Just some simple methods that you can use to grow your Instagram without having to pay for advertisement or anything like that. I mean, I used this method and I grew like crazy for the last couple month or two. Um, I went from around like 2000 and now I have a lot more than that. So, all right, so without saying too much, let's go into my Instagram and see what's going on. Okay, so this is my Instagram. As you can see, Gary Vee right here, whatnot. Okay, it's just somebody I follow. But let's go to my profile. Okay, so you can see, right now I have 11K. Um, this is just from this is all free. I didn't have to sign up for any ads or I didn't do any shout outs or anything like that. Uh, Basically what I did was for the first week or two I used a follow unfollow method that that got me the first about 2,000 followers. Took me about 2 weeks. The app is called Captivate if you're using iPhone. If you are using Android, there's one called Followers Chief, which is pretty good. You can go check it out. They're both super cheap, like $5 can get you going. Uh, so that's that. And after that, I started doing posts. If you can see right here, some posts, some videos. It's like here to something. I wanted my Instagram to be like an entrepreneur thing, so that's why a lot of these you can see is like a motivational thing, whatnot. And every time I do a post, I gotta make sure that the hashtags are relevant. Like let's see right here. See, there's some hashtags right here. So you want to make sure that all the hashtags are relevant to what you do, and make sure not what you think is good. You can always go. Let's say for me, for entrepreneur, you can just type in like entrepreneur. And you can see there's some hashtag that comes up, like these ones that comes up right here. Obviously, it's probably the most popular hashtag in that in the entrepreneur niche because it comes up right away. Let's say like entrepreneurship, boom. You can go right here. You can see there's some posts right here. You can download them, take some screenshots. I know some people use this as software. You can do it directly from a computer, but mine, I use it on my phone. Uh, it's called Repost on iPhone. It's just I like it on my phone better because that way I can just look for new content every day, download it, and post it on my phone right away. I have everything set up on my phone already, so I can do it on the go. I don't have to be on my computer. Some people like it better. They can schedule like a month's worth of content. I mean, it's good that they do that, but sometimes I feel like if you do that by the end of the second week of the third week, when it comes to the end of what you schedule to post, your post started to get a little dated. So I like to go out there and find new content myself every day to keep it more engaging because if you're posting something that you post at the end of the month and like every other entrepreneur niche page already posted it, then you're not gonna get as much engagement because people are just gonna be like, oh man, it's another repost. They don't want to see it. It's good. You can go into the niche. Let's say entrepreneur. What was it? Entrepreneur. Um, Post right here. Let's say these ones right here. They all came out. Let me see. This one was post like 18 seconds ago. Maybe a little too quick, but I usually try to find stuff that get posts for less than sorry about that less than 3 days old. but at least a day old. So at least I can kind of see how engaging it is. Like, you know, you can see how many likes it gets, how many likes this one gets. So this one got like, got posted an hour ago, is already got like 1,200 likes almost. So you can kind of find it there. You can see what it is. You gotta make sure that for a lot of times you want to look for videos as opposed to pictures, because people generally just like to engage more with videos. You see right here. Let me see. I'm trying to find a good example for you. So, whoa. Okay. So this is still fairly new. Okay, this one only has 3 days ago, but this one. Okay, so that's example of what not to get, because it's such a low engagement. Okay. All right. You don't want to do stories. Well, it's not showing here, but when I'm on my phone, there's a tab that says most popular videos. You can go there and you can see there's some with thousands of likes. Those are the ones that you want to repost, because that's what engaging people. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it for. Oh, sorry. One more thing is that you want to make sure that you do daily uploads. So obviously, if you can do one upload every single day, that'll be awesome. Uh, you know, if you want to really just get your page going and just have people follow you right away, three is probably better. And you can just post it in like in the morning, at noon, and then one in the evening, whichever one you want to do. Regarding on what time you can post, I'm gonna show you on my phone. What you can see right here is that I can mirror on my computer because I have an iPhone, and the computer is a PC, so haven't found any software for that. But if you do know one, let me know. Okay, all right, let's put this back on full screen so you can see me better. Just a second. Alrighty, so so what you want to do is that obviously for Instagram you want to switch it to business account first, so that way you can get all the algorithm and all that. You know, if you want to learn how to switch your account to business account, there's tons of videos out there to teach you how to do that. I'm not gonna go into that in this video. Let's see. Okay, so and then it will show you a part where it shows you this screen right here. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Give me a second. Yeah, it's not showing you very well, but you can see the little bars right here. Anyways, at the bottom of that, you'll see there's a part at the bottom. It's just like follow. Yeah, it's not swimming, but there's a part that's gonna say followers, and it will show you, you know, what's the best time to post. And as you can see right here, the part that shows the highest bar is actually 9 a.m. So that'll be a time to post, and just go up and down from there. You can see which one you want to do. Okay, I know those a little ganji. I'm gonna find another software that I can use so I can mirror screen to my computer soon. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Just make sure. So recap is that make sure you know you just do follow and follow in the beginning. Use relevant hashtags. Find popular pictures or videos for it. And then do daily uploads with relevant hashtags best you can. You should be able to generate some data after posting for like a week or two, and then after a week or two, just check a time, engagement, see when is the best time to post during that day, and from there on out, you should be able to grow your Instagram and get a tons of followers and tons of engagement for your Instagram. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.